Hello, this is Sammy Diaz with Coldwell Banker Realty. I'm here to interview Judy Maldonado, attorney and owner of Law Office of Judy K. Maldonado. Welcome, Judy.
Thank you, Sammy. Thanks for having me on.
Okay, let me ask you a few questions and then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, my first question to you is, why did you choose this profession?
So I have wanted to be a lawyer since I was a little girl. I remember, I think I was 6 years old and most of the kids were playing house and I was playing courtroom. I just was fascinated by it. My parents' favorite TV show was LA Law. And I used to sneak in to try and come watch it. I liked the outfits that they wore. I just thought it was a fascinating career. My mom said she always knew that I would be a lawyer because I love to argue. But it's always been what I've wanted to do. It's been my dream, and I'm so happy that it became a reality.
Outstanding. Good for you. Next question is, why did you decide to open this business?
So I was actually at a firm in Chicago when I first started in 2003. But I lived here in the Lake County area, and so commuting back and forth was really difficult. I was actually in a pretrial years ago, and Judge Ortiz asked me on the side, he's like, counsel, why are you in Chicago when you live here? We could use attorneys like you in this area. And so I decided to hang my own shingle and open my business in Gurnee in 2012, and it's been great ever since.
Oh, okay. Well, this next question might be a piggyback to that. How did you get started?
Okay. So I was a partner at my firm in Chicago. I gave them 6 months notice and they gave me time to kind of look up here and get established. I found a small office, actually that's down the hall from my current office, and signed a lease. I didn't really have furniture or anything. I hadn't really planned too far in advance this move. So my landlord was wonderful, and he said, I have a tenant that moved out. They left behind a lot of things. Go ahead and go in there and, you can pick out whatever you'd like. And it's funny because everything that I had put in my dream drawing of what my office would look like was in this office. And he actually moved it all in for me for free, which was really nice.
Wow.
So I started off with a bunch of borrowed furniture and a lot of hope.
Cool. Good for you. My next question then is, what drives you to do what you do? What motivates you?
So, I always say that I get to practice the only happy area of law, which is real estate. Most of the areas of law, and I've done several different areas. I used to practice in family law and civil litigation, personal injury. I've done criminal defense, but I love real estate, and it's what I specialize in. It's what I'm good at. And I love that at the end of the day, we're helping people achieve their American dream. They're getting keys to a house that they love. Everybody leaves happy.
I get that totally. I understand that totally. I love my job for the same reason.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
And I love that we get to be a part of that and helping make that happen.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, it is a very happy, a happy job to have. And I'm thankful for that.
Yeah. Good to hear. Last question is, what would your customers say they love most about your business?
I think communication. So I believe that communication is key. I am a little OCD about answering emails and phone calls within a short period of time, and my whole office is that way. So, I like that we're pretty organized. We send out emails at the beginning introducing everybody in the office and, following up constantly. I don't like people to have questions that are unanswered. So at the end of the day, when I'm at closing, a lot of times people will say, we love your team. And I love to hear that. And pre-COVID, I knew that it was a good closing when I would get a hug. Now it's a good closing if I get an air hug.
Yeah. Okay, well, that's it, Judy. I just want to say to everybody out there, thank you for watching. Again, I'm Sammy Diaz with Coldwell Banker Realty. If you know of anyone that would like to be interviewed in the same process, please let me know. Other than that, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.